Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's good to have you. This is an interesting little product. It's called a fishing, it's called a dinosaur ladle, right? So it's a little kids thing. There are sellers on Amazon. There's actually one seller I noticed this morning. He's turning over about $10,000 USD per month with this very simple, very basic product. These are the typical products that we get involved with. I don't know if you can see that, right? These are the typical products that we get involved with, right? Not this product per se, but you notice, right? No batteries, right? It's not a tech product. You're not doing pizza ovens. It's very lightweight, right? It's something also that meets the size, right? It fits in a shoebox, right? So lightweight, low reviews. You're looking for high turnover. You're looking for something simple, because the thing you got to ask yourself, guys, is when you're choosing a product for Amazon, if it breaks down, is it something that you can fix? And if the answer is no, then don't get involved with it, especially as your first product. Now your second product, third product, you can jump on drones, you can jump on all these other stuff, you can jump on voltage, things that have got voltage in. You can jump on heavy things like, furniture. You can jump on, we've actually got people involved in throws, right? And actual, for beds and high quality towels and on all the heavy stuff, right? I have a client who does a product that weighs 70 kilos. Kid you not, 70 kilos. So you can do that for your second or your third or your fifth or your 100th product, right? But just for your first one, keep it simple. Like just something like this, no batteries, it's not going to explode, it's not going to harm a kid, it's not going to harm you, and also it's just something that is, it is profitable. Obviously these things you can buy for about 20-30 cents, and it's something that you can basically, obviously sell. You can bundle it in, you can do a whole bunch of other stuff as well. So guys, keep your eye out. Remember, meet those parameters. Lightweight, profitable, all that sort of stuff. Have a great day, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now.